Pharm D, Doctor of Pharmacy, is a professional doctoral degree in pharmacy. The course duration is 6 years, including 1 year of internship. Here is a brief description of the course. First year. The first year of course covers basic subjects such as pharmaceutics, medicinal chemistry, pharmaceutical analysis, pharmacology, and pharmacognosy. Second year includes pharmacology and toxicology. Students learn about the mechanism of drug action, adverse effects, and drug interactions.
The third year is dedicated to the study of pharmaceutical analysis, pharmacotherapeutics, and pharmacy practice.
In the fourth year, students study advanced topics such as pharmacokinetics, pharmacodynamics, clinical pharmacy, and pharmacokinetics. The fifth year is dedicated to pharmacy practice experiences. Students work under the supervision of pharmacists in various healthcare settings. The final year includes advanced pharmacy practice experiences. Students have to complete a research project and prepare a thesis. Internship. After the completion of the academic course, students are required to undergo a 1-year internship in a hospital.